how to enable the Raise to Wake feature for your Oppo Reno 5 phone. And basically it's this gesture here that when you pick up your phone, it wakes up your phone like this. So if you want to enable this feature, basically you would want to first go into the main settings of your Oppo Reno 5 phone. So you can do this by going into the control center, find the gear icon settings at the very top here, tap on that one time, and we are going into the convenience tools section. You can also use the search bar to type in Raise to Wake and it'll take you there right away. Or if not, go to convenience tools right here and you'll go to the gestures and motions right there. So tap on that, and right where it says motions, you want to turn on where it says Raise to Wake. And once you turn this on, this will now give you this feature here, the Raise to Wake. And that's pretty much it for this tutorial. Do hit that like, share, sub, and yes, thanks for watching.